Okay, the procedure for replacing the printhead in an RT200 can be a little tricky. As you can see, I'm putting pressure straight in so that the front and back clips release. I'll put it back in here and show you again. So push the whole thing in, slide it forward a little bit, and you'll see the whole thing lifts out. Now these two screws hold the printhead in place. But before you can undo those, you've got to release the black clip. So push in on the little tabs, and that whole thing sort of rolls forward or tilts forward, like such. At this point, then, you would undo the two screws. And once it's released, there's a plug in the back that needs to be removed. Now, this can be a little tricky. You might use a little tiny screwdriver to sort of pry in between the gap. And then just reverse the whole procedure to put it back into place. So position the black clip, slide it into place, obviously reinsert the screws, and put it back in the way you took it out. So just be cognizant of how you removed it. I hope this helps, but if not, please call tech support 888-987-8878.